Welcome to the revolutionary world of red light therapy, brought to you by Smart Technologies. As the pioneers in LED-powered UV and red light devices, we're here to delve into the fascinating science behind this groundbreaking technology. We'll explore how it works, why it's effective, and the remarkable benefits it offers. Red light therapy is more than just a trend. It's a scientifically proven method that uses low-level red light to stimulate cellular activity, promoting healing and rejuvenation. This non-invasive treatment can be a game-changer for medical centers, beauty centers, tanning salons, and even gyms, offering transformative results for your clients. Safety is our top priority at Smart Technologies. Our red light therapy devices are designed with the utmost care to ensure the highest standards of safety while delivering maximum effectiveness. We'll guide you through the treatment protocols, helping you understand the best practices to ensure the safety and comfort of your clients. In our diverse range of devices, we offer standalone red light therapy units, as well as hybrid LED UV collagen devices like SUMBs and vertical units. Each device is meticulously designed to deliver the most efficient treatment, providing a unique experience for your clients. Let's dive into the science of red light therapy. Let's elucidate its transformative mechanism. Our skin comprises trillions of cells, and at a molecular level, there's a tiny engine known as mitochondria inside each. Think of red light therapy as a specialized tune-up for these engines. When the red light penetrates the skin, it stimulates these mitochondria, boosting their energy production. The direct consequence: accelerated collagen production and cellular repair. In essence, we're leveraging cutting-edge photobiomodulation, a process where light influences cell behavior. With red light therapy, we're not just illuminating the skin, we're invigorating it at its very core. Join us on this wellness journey as we unveil the power of red light therapy. Discover how our devices can enhance your offerings and elevate your business. With Smart Technologies, you're not just investing in a device, you're investing in a smarter, healthier future for your clients. Medical centers, beauty moguls, gym enthusiasts, and even you at home, listen up. Ever thought of wielding the power of light in your hands? Here's your golden ticket. Whether it's skin miracles you're after or that collagen-boosting magic, Smart Technologies has got the red light therapy device you've been dreaming of. Don't just follow the trend, lead it. Get in touch and light up your wellness game. Because, let's face it, the future of beauty and health isn't just bright, it's radiant.